Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Myself Teja. Today in this video we are going to learn part of complex numbers. If you haven't watched the part 1 and part 2, you can check it out from the I button. So let's get into the video. Before getting into the video, only a small percent of you who watch my videos are actually subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. It motivates me to make more videos for you. Enjoy the video. So now we are going to solve the problems based on exercise 1b 3 and 4 bits. In this third bit, first one, if x minus iy whole power 1 by 3 equal to a minus ib, then show that x by a plus y by a equal to 4 of a square minus b square. Now we are taking 1 by 3 another side, and then it will become x minus iy equal to a minus 1 by 3 1 by 1 of whole cube. It is in the form of a minus b whole cube. The formula of a minus b whole cube equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square minus b cube. Okay. Now we are going to substitute this value, a values in the formula, a and b values in the formula. Now a cube means a cube only, and minus 3 mean 3a square, b means ib, plus 3a ib whole square minus ib whole cube. A cube minus 3a square ib plus 3a I square b square minus I cube b cube. Now I square equal to minus 1, so we have to substitute I square value in place. Now we have to substitute I square into now we have to substitute I square value into minus 1. So a cube equal a cube minus 1 cube b cube minus 3a square I cube plus 3 I square b square. So it will turn into a cube minus of minus I b cube minus 3a square bi minus 3a b square. Now we have to take I attached numbers on one side and without I variables another side. So a cube minus 3ab square, it is one term, and minus we will take I common from these two, so I of 3a square b minus b cube. Now it is in the form of x minus iy by equality of complex numbers x equal to a cube minus 3ab square and y equal to 3a square b minus b cube. In the question they asked that x by a means now we have to take common a in this equation. So if we take a common, it will become a square minus 3b square because we have taken a common. In this equation we have to take b as common, so it will become 3a square minus b square. This a will come to denominator of this side, so x by a equal to a square minus 3b square and y by b equal to 3a square minus b square. Okay, now in the question they asked us to find out x by a plus y by a, sorry, y by b. It's y by b, sorry, it's not y by a, it's y by b. Now x by a plus y by b equal to a square minus 3b square plus 3a square minus b square. It means 4a square minus 4b square. If we take 4 common, a square 4 of a square minus b square. Hence we have proved that x minus iy whole power 1 by 3 equal to a minus ib. Then they wanted us to show x by a plus y by a equal to 4 of a square minus b square. So we have proved it. Now next one, second one. In the question they given a plus ib by a minus ib whole square minus a minus ib by a plus ib whole square. We have to convert this into in the form of x plus iy. So it is in the form of a square minus b square. The formula is a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b we have to do. A plus ib, a minus ib plus a minus ib by a plus ib. This is multiplication. A plus ib by a minus ib minus a minus ib by a plus ib. Now cross multiplication. A minus ib into a minus ib. Here also same, a minus ib into a it is minus and it is plus a plus ib. Now we have to do cross multiplication. A plus ib into a whole, they both are same, so we can easily do whole square plus a minus ib whole square. Here also a plus ib whole square minus a minus ib whole square. Now we have to expand this equation into a plus b whole square formula. So a square plus I square b square plus 2iab plus a square plus I square b square minus 2iab by, if a into a square, a plus b into, it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So minus I square ib into ib equal to ib whole square. I square equal to minus ib whole square equal to minus 1 minus 1. So the equation will be minus into minus plus, so plus b square. Here it is multiplication, here also a square plus b square. Now here also same, a square plus I square b square plus 2aib minus a square plus I square b square 2aib. Now this 2 plus 2iab minus 2iab, and this a plus a square plus I square b square and minus a square plus I square, this will also get cancelled. The remaining things are 2a square plus 2I square b square by a square plus b square into 4a abi a square plus b square. Now we will turn these two equations into one. So 2a square plus 2I square b square by a square plus b square. So now we have to take 2 common from this equation. So here my I square, so it will become 2 of a square minus b square by a square plus b square. And this into 4abi 4abi. Now we have to multiply these two, so it will become 8abi of a square minus b square by a square plus b square whole square. Here we have only y part of the equation, so we assume x part will be 0. So x 0 plus I of 8ab of a square minus b square by a square plus b square whole square. Okay. Now third one is just simplification of the given equation. There we have to just do we have to just do we should just do the cross multiplication of the given equation, then you can easily find out the equation. what do we want, and the values are of x and y. So do that problem by your own, it's very easy, so you can do it very easily. Now fourth bit, first one, find the least positive integer n satisfying. The equation is 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole power n equal to 1. We have to find the least positive integer n. We have to find the positive integer, and it is denoted by n, which can satisfy this condition. So simply we will do the rationalizing denominator by rationalizing denominator 1 plus I by 1 minus I into 1 plus I by 1 minus 1 plus I. Now it is an a plus b into a minus b, so 1 square into my I square and 1 plus I into 1 plus I. 1 into 1 1, 1 plus I, and I into 1 I into I square by here it will become here it is a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. So here I 1 square minus I square, so it will become 1 plus 1, because I square equal to minus 1, minus into minus plus, so 1 plus 1. Now by 2, here also same, I square equal to minus 1, minus 1 and plus 1 will get cancelled. Here we have 2I, 2 get cancelled, the remaining part is I. So the least common multiple number is 4, because if we try the least common multiple, sorry, the least positive integer which can satisfy this condition is 4. If we do I power 4, then we will get I square into I square, then minus 1 into minus 1 equal to plus 1. Therefore we also got the same answer, least positive integer which can satisfy this condition is 4. Now second one, the question is, if 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole power cube minus 1 minus I by 1 plus I whole cube equal to, we have to show this equation into x plus iy, and also we have to find the values of x and y. Okay, and also we have to find the values of x and y. Now once simply just do the the rationalizing denominator of these two things. Just for 1 second we have to forget this whole cube. Afterwards we will get the rationalized value, then we will do the cube of that value, then we can find the answer very easily. So first we have to do the rationalizing denominator of first part, that means first term. 1 plus I by 1 minus I, rationalizing denominator, so 1 plus I by 1 plus I, then it will become 1 square minus I square, 1 into 1 into 1 plus I into 1 plus I, then the equation will be 2 and 1 plus I plus I plus I square, then it will become 2i plus 2i by 2 equal to I. The value of first term is I. Now we have to find the second term. Second term is I minus I by I plus I. The rationalizing the denominator means 1 minus I by 1 minus I. Plus into minus, sorry, a plus b into a minus b, so I square minus 1 square minus I square, 1 of 1 minus I plus minus I of 1 minus I equal to 1 minus I minus I plus I square, and the denominator will be 2. Now it will become minus 2I by 2, then the answer will be minus I. Now we have to cube this, we have to give cubes to this, so I cube minus minus of minus cube, it is equal to I cube equal to I square into I, and this I cube equal minus I cube equal to minus I square into minus I. We have to apply the BODMAS rule. First we have to do the multiplication, so minus I square into minus I equal to minus I, and then it will become plus I and minus will become minus I, so it will become minus 2I. So there is no x term, so we will assume it is 0, and y equal to minus 2. We have find the value of x and y. Now third one. In the question it is given 3 plus 2I sin theta by 1 minus 2I sin theta. Before getting into the a and b parts, we have to do the rationalizing the denominator so that we can find some equation and move on into the question. 3 plus 2i sine theta by 1 minus 2i sine theta into 1 plus 2i sine theta by 1 plus 2i sine theta. If we do cross multiplication, we will get a plus b into a minus b. So a square means 1 square. Uh, 2i sine theta whole square means 4 sine square theta. Okay. Here I square will become minus 1. So minus 1 and minus will become plus. So it is become plus. Now we have to do the cross multiplication here. Uh, 3 plus 2i sine theta of 1 plus 2i sine theta plus that's it. Now we have to find it. If we multiply this, we will get 3 plus 6i sine theta plus 2i sine theta plus 4i square sine square theta. Denominator will be 1 plus 4 sine square theta, and then this 6i sine square sine theta and 2i sine square sine theta, we will add it. So 3 plus 8i sine theta plus 4i square sine square theta by 1 plus 4 sine square theta equal to. Now we will divide this I values and the normal terms. 3 plus 8i sine theta, here my plus into my here my I square will become minus, so minus 4 sine square theta by 1 plus 4 sine square theta. So now we will divide it. 3 minus 4 sine square theta by 1 plus 4 sine square theta plus I of 8 I sine theta by 1 plus 4 sine square theta. Okay, we have done the basic thing before getting into the problem. So if we go into the problem, we have to find a real number. We have to find a real number. So here we doesn't have any real number, so we will just assume z as a real number, and the value of z equal to 0. So the equation will be 8 sine theta by 1 plus 4 sine square theta equal to 0. Okay, then if we multiply, if the division of this side goes to that side, it will become multiplication, so 0 into anything will be 0. So okay, 8 sine theta equal to 0, and if a multiplication of this side will go to that side, means the opposite to the equation, then it will become by, but 0 by anything equal to 0, so sine theta equal to 0. Okay, sin theta equal to 0. There is a condition here, because the condition is if sin x equal to 0, then x equal to n pi, and n equal to n belongs to integers. If sin theta equal to 0, then theta equal to n pi. N pi means, n means natural number, pi means 180 degrees, so it can be anything. So we doesn't have the value of real number, so we will assume as 0. So it will become, in the answer we will write the n value, because we doesn't know which value is it belong to. So the answer is theta equal to n pi. Okay, because of this condition we will write like this. Now b1, purely imaginary number. We should write the purely imaginary, means it should be totally imaginary, not from the concept. Okay, z is, let z will be a purely imaginary number. Now we'll take this equation, 3 minus 4 sine square theta by 1 plus 4 sine square theta equal to 0. Now if we just simplify it, we will get sine square theta equal to minus 3 by minus 4. We will minus will be cancelled, so sine square theta equal to 3 by 4. Here it is a condition. Here also one condition is there. If sine square x equal to sine square alpha, then x equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha, where n belongs to integers. So according to the condition, it will become sine square theta equal to sine square root 3 by 2, and then it will become sine square theta equal to sine square pi by 3. If you don't know what is the value of pi is 180. 180 by 3 is 60. So the value of sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So the final theta equal to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3. That's it, pi by 3, where we have to write this condition also, where n belongs to integers. Now fourth one, x and y. Now we need to just do the cross multiplication. So the question is x minus 1 by 3 plus I plus y minus 1 by 3 minus I equal to I. They have given x plus 1 by 3 plus I plus y minus 1 by 3 minus I equal to I. Now we have to do the cross multiplication. solution. First a plus b into a minus b, so 3 square minus I square x minus 1 and into 3 minus I plus 3 plus I 3 plus I y minus I. Now now x into 3 3x, x into minus I minus ix, minus 1 and plus 3 equal to minus 3 minus minus 1 into minus I plus I, so plus 3 into y 3y 3 plus into minus plus into minus minus 3 into 1 3 plus I into y iy plus into minus minus I into 1 I. It is 9 plus 1 square equal I square equal to minus 1 minus into minus plus, so 9 plus 1. Now we will simplify it. 3x one side and 3y one side, and minus 3 will become minus 6, and we will write all these uh, items in one order. So minus ix minus I plus iy, it will become minus I by 10. Now 3x minus 3 minus ix plus 3y minus 3 plus iy by 10. Now we will divide everything. It becomes 3x minus 3y minus 6 by 10 plus I of minus x plus y by 10. They have given this equation equal to I. So we will do this, 10 will go this side, then it becomes plus I of minus x plus y equal to 10I plus 10I, because the symbols doesn't change when you multiply it, when you multiply the denominator thing. Now if we do this, 3x plus 3y minus 6 equal to 0 minus x plus y equal to 10. If we take 3 common here, we will get x plus y minus 2 equal to 0. So if we do for this equation and this equation, we will get x plus y minus 2 equal to 0 and minus x plus y minus 10 equal to 0. 2y minus 12 equal to 0, y equal to 6. If you substitute the y value in the equation, we will get x plus 6 minus 2 equal to 0, x equal to 4. Therefore the values are x equal to 4 and y equal to 6. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and share this video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, consider subscribing. So let's meet in the next video.